Okay, here's a quick unbox of the Klipsch RP-500SA, and that's what I have, two pairs. So what I'm getting ready to do is change all of these older type styles to the 500 series. And I already have it unboxed. And this one right here is actually a good one too. So I'm getting ready to change this one now. I can't remember what this one is. This one is the R41SA. This is actually a nice one. But one thing I like about these, it has a switch in the back. So let me unbox this just to give an idea. So here's one box, here's the other one. So I'm gonna get ready to install all of these older type to the newer type. So it's gonna be a minute. Might take about a few hours to get it all redone again. And got the receiver, which is the 8500 series. So let me just do this. I'll just take one of them out. It's hard to try to film and do this at the same time for everybody to do it. So if they can do it, I'm sure I can. Let's get this thing out. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna try to compare it with this one I have on the floor. Just have to bear with me with this video. Okay, so I'll set this one right here. Okay, this is the 500 series, which is right there. Yeah, this is actually nice. So you got the trim around it. That's what makes this one so unique. You have the trim around it, and then in the back you have the switch. And this is what I need. You see that switch right there is from Atmos to surround sound. So what I'm gonna do, start it right here on this. I'm gonna replace these two, or these pairs. So I'm gonna put the 500 series right here. So this side gonna be Atmos, and this one gonna be regular surround sound, based on these speakers right here. So again, this is real quick. This is how the speaker look. You know, so you got this type, which is right here, RP-500SA. So I got a pair right here, pair right here. Same concept, just unbox it and install it. This is the previous type, which this is nice too. So I'm gonna put this one in the garage, in my studio. So I'm gonna put this one in my garage, and I'm gonna upgrade everything in this dining room with this type. Okay, and as you can see, this one is 13.1 channel. And again, right here is the 500 series amp, the Denon amp. Actually, it's AVR 8500. So this is the 8500 hotel amp right here. And try to prove it to you. She don't have to prove it to you, but it is. You see the 13.2. All right, there you have it. So as soon as I get all this installed, I'll try to make another video just to show you how well it sounds, which I know it's gonna be awesome. So here's my setup. So it's gonna be a minute trying to rewire all of this stuff and get this sound done correctly. All right then, see you later, have a good day.